Today we're gonna be taking apart a drone just for funsies. And it's this drone right here.
Chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. It goes like, I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need
Okay, I have something to admit. I have two of these, okay? So I crashed one, I bought one to replace the other one, and the one we just took apart was the one I crashed, I think? Or maybe it was the one I parted out. I don't remember, but there's still one on the wall right there. And I'm actually trying to move right now, so I'm trying to liquidate a lot of stuff. So if you wanna buy this for basically free, I'll give it to you. All you have to do is pay the cost of shipping. It's a pretty cool drone. I mean, for beginners, just getting into the hobby, this thing is super tough and fun to knock around. So this guy right here, it'll be in the description below, the like button, for sale.
And you get everything you see here. So you get another flight controller, you get 4 extra propellers with the metal stems, you get all the screws inside of here, you get the gears, you get the battery housing, you get the remote controller, and you get the full working drone. Got a camera on it, you get this whole thing, all the extra parts, and of course the battery, which still charges.